Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and in today's video I want to do a review of a product called Traffic 8. Traffic 8 is a way that you can generate more leads and sales with these traffic methods that are inside the training area. Now, I am a bit biased. I actually created Traffic 8 myself, so I am going to talk about it for a couple of minutes. And let's see if I can switch. Now we are looking at the sales page for Traffic 8, and this is the video. Let me just have a look. Yeah. Thank you. That's just like an introduction to it. But this won't actually change over time because it's not actually a very good sales page. I'll be honest with you. I can be honest. It's my creation, and basically the training is actually very good. It's 8 ways to get traffic to any offer that you're promoting, and the good thing about that is you can also promote the programs inside the training area, and you can get commissions that way as well. So I'm just going to talk to you for a couple of minutes about Traffic 8. It does cost $9.99, and you do get these bonuses with it. Bonus 1 is the Safe List Profit Blueprint. Now, if you are a fan of safe lists, then you can use this method to promote Traffic 8, and you can generate commissions with Traffic 8 and this actual program. And I'll explain more about that in this review. Bonus 2 is a list of traffic sources that was given to me. It's not an actual comprehensive list. It's a couple of ways you can get traffic that you probably never thought of before. And bonus 3 is a YouTube masterclass video. But again, the sales page is not very good. And when I say that, I just mean it's not converting as well as I expected. So it will change. It will look slightly different over the course of the. It will look slightly different. But as I said, it's the content that matters. The content is most important. Now, we do have one-time offers available with Traffic 8, and I'm just going to talk about them briefly. The first one is highly converting email swipes. Now, you can get 40 highly converting email swipes for $20, and you can change these emails to the offer that you are promoting, and that will save you basically typing out and writing 40 emails, because it will take a while to do that. But these emails have been tested and they actually work. I've used them myself. They work very well, and that's $20. The second offer is, let me just see what that is, the squeeze pages. Now, these squeeze pages are $25, but you get 15 of these pages, and these pages are highly converting as well. I wonder if I can actually show you them in this video. Yeah, there they are there. That's the pages there in this video. So these pages are highly converting, and what you do is it's a share code that you get from Lead Sleep, and you plug them into Lead Sleep, and you use them to promote any offer that you are promoting. And you can edit the text, you can edit the colours as well, and you can see I'm just going through the different pages now. But as I said, you can change the background and the text. But they work very well, and I've used them myself actually, and I do get subscribers on a daily basis from it. So for $25 you can get access to this training. Not this training, the actual pages. And yeah, it's very good. It's very good, and it is a limited offer because I will be removing them soon. And then if you go through the sales funnel, we'll get to our last one. This is the most important one, and that's the higher commissions across the funnel. And what will happen is if you buy this offer for $97, you'll actually get 100% commissions across the funnel. So when you promote it, Traffic 8, for example, you will get the $9.99 for the front end product, and then if anybody buys the squeeze pages, you'll get $25 for that. And if anybody buys the email swipes, you will get the money for the email swipes as well. So basically, it's 100% commissions across the entire funnel. And of course, you can actually duplicate the Traffic 8 funnel if you want to duplicate it. That's in another training course though, because it does actually cost money for that. I was going to give it away for free, but I decided to put a price tag on it. Now, the other good thing about Traffic 8 is if you go into Traffic 8, it's 8 methods that you can use to get traffic to any offer that you're promoting. And you can sign up for these traffic sources and you can become an affiliate for them and you can make money that way. Or you can, if you're already a member of the program or don't like it for whatever reason, you can actually swap them out for your own affiliate offers. And it's very easy to do that in Lead Sleep. There's no instructions here on how to do that from the actual Traffic 8 training because that's above the scope of that. But you can buy the Traffic 8 funnel and you are able to go into the funnel and you can actually change as much as you want. You can change the background and the text and everything else. So that's really the Traffic 8 training review for Traffic 8. And it is really just to help people get traffic to their offer in a structured manner. And that's what Traffic 8 does. It gives you a structure to follow. And if you promote the whatever offer you're promoting, if you promote it in Traffic 8, you will get more subscribers and you may get some cheeky sales as well. And that's really what Traffic 8 is all about. It's about getting targeted traffic to the offers that you are promoting, and that's really why I created the Traffic 8 training. I will be honest and say that my forte is not design and copywriting and things like that, because I'm more of a training type of person. So that's why this sales page is not very good. And inside the training area, the training area, it works okay. You can navigate around from one page to another. It's not the most sophisticated site because I did knock it up on Lead Sleep, but it works, and that's the main thing about it. You can get hold of Traffic 8 now and get hold of these bonuses by clicking on the link under this video, and it is only $9.99. It's not that expensive, and you will be given a link to be given these bonuses as well. So I hope to see you in the Traffic 8 training area. If you do have any comments or suggestions, please leave them under the video, and I will see you in the training area.